Motungata Muingi Guku Bururini Felix Koskei Niathiite Naambere Guikia Mateta Meegie Ungumania Uria Ukoretwo Urikuo Sekta ino ya Motungata Muingi Akiuga Ungumania uyu niguo Ucongiriirie wagi wa Uthiii wa Nambere Maturaini ona Bururini na toria mwandiki witu wa mohoro wa irimo wa Kimani aratariria Koskei nikitirikana kuri honge ciothe cia utungata wa muingi kunyitanira hari kuria kana hari kurua na bareno ya Ungumania.
Can have the national chairman and
Akiaria igongona-ini ria kiungano kia maabitha a utungata wa muingi kia 27 mwena-ini wa Naivasha, munene wa mutungata wa muingi Felix Koskei ni areketie kwanira ati bururi ni uremetwo ni gukuria biashara ni undu wa Uugumania uria ukoretwo urikuo sekta-ini cia utungata kuri muingi.
Incidences of corruption continue to plague the country's collective reputation. The public sector remains prominent in this dialogue. Unfortunately, the private sector has become an active, if not equal player. This untenable situation has necessitated the government's re-engineering of the strategies, mechanisms and tools for fighting corruption. Through a firm leadership resolve, the government has refused to bury its head in the sand. We have confronted and re-energized our efforts towards full and effective implementation of our anti-corruption arsenal.
Felix Koskei nekiriaritana kuri maabitha othe aruti a wira guku muingi matigirire ati wabici-ini ciothe cia thirikari gutire kamene ka Uugumania gegutigara kuona mabatie gukorwo mari kionereria kuri muingi na kuona ati aingi a aria marukuruhanitio na Uugumania matiandikitwo kiwatho ni thirikari riu cuma yao Urikuo na maya kuhamurithio kuma itura-ini ciao.
More deconcerting is the challenge of recruitment that continues to taint the image of any recruitment process, be it in the public or private realm. Tales of ghost workers on payrolls. How do you get ghost workers?
Guku wagi wa mawira ukigwetwo ari kihinga kinene kuri muingi riu munene uyu neranire ati thirikari ya William Ruto ne hariirie kuhurana na bara ya Uugumania na gutigirira aria mabati kwandikwo na kwonjorithio. Guku akenda maabitha aruti a wira kuri muingi kuongererwo.
There is no corrupt people being hired into the institution. There's demand that each and every profession or every person that works in a particular professional area have to be a member of that profession.
Gerifotera Muingi TV geto wa irimo wa Kimani
and
Anarere